southbound for left on runway 28.
Okay, recover. Full power. Full power. Full power. There you go. So you lost another 150 feet. Now you start pushing the nose a little bit. Because if you don't push the nose, it'll climb and it'll stall again, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 80 knots, you can drop one notch.
Traffic Skyhawk on downwind 04, sober.
One. Okay. Now 85, you can drop the other notch. Okay. And now we can trim this guy because if not, we're gonna grow muscles. Let's get to the beach. All right, so now you can put it at 2400 RPM. Okay, we're gonna be doing a lot more of those until you get them perfect. That's super important.
That last one, it did get a little uncoordinated there. That's the only thing.
Okay, well,
a little wonky.
In this one, you have the ball and needle. In the water, you don't. So you should be using that. Okay, so
2400.
let's do something.
We're at 2500 feet, and we're good.
How are you feeling with steep turns? Have you done any steep turns?
No, just a lot of coordinated turn stuff and.
Okay, so let's do.
How steep we talking here?
No, so let's do a 30 degree. Let's do a 20 degree turn, a 360, a 180. So we go the other way. We're getting out to East Jibib here.
All right, we're at 220 right
to
now.
the left, 20 degrees. I don't want you to lose any altitude. Remember, as you bank, you got to expect that it's gonna drop the nose.
Pull the nose
So
back a little
first
bit.
you do a full bank, and it's gonna take a second to start dropping.
Okay.
So you need to compensate for that.
All right. We're at 2400. You want me to turn to the north, let's say?
Yeah, go back.
All right. Turning left.
So 20 degrees is the second one. There you go. And you're keeping it coordinated. That's very good, but you're losing altitude. Let's do a 360. See if you can come out. Now you're gaining altitude. Measure that.
Yeah. All right.
You're dropping the nose like crazy.
I think because I'm. I don't know.
Battery 74, turn right base, runway 1, battery.
Yeah, that one wasn't that bad. We'll see what happens when we put you in 40. All right, keep turning. Stay at this bank.
360, right?
Okay, do a 360. All right, give me 30 degrees for the rest of the turn. 2400. 30 degrees is that last one. See how the nose is getting very heavy now. More. Yeah, that's 30.
Okay.
Don't be shy.
I'm doing the rudder pedal stuff. What's the green light on the turn coordinator?
That it's ready to for the autopilot if you need it.
Oh, okay.
You're dropping the nose. You got distracted. Up. Keep turning. Up. Give me 2400. Fix that. That's 35. That's good. So I'm gonna teach you a trick to cheat a little bit on this. When you need to gain altitude, you can drop your bank a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so once we're going south, you keep going south. We're gonna try to the other side in a minute. I don't know if it's everybody, but I have more travel to the right than to the left.
Really?
Okay, so now when you straighten, it's gonna balloon, so be ready. Get the wings level, and push. There you go.
We're at 2400.
Do you feel comfortable with those? Is your stomach queasy? You're not gonna puke on me, are you? I got doggy bags in the back.
But if we turn to the right, it will go that way now. Gravity's just gonna push it that way.
All right, so I'm not gonna help you on this one. We'll see how you end up. If you end up at 24 or at 22 or we're swimming.
What are we doing, 30 to the right?
30 to the right, but start at 24. Don't cheat yourself. And you have 24. Okay, so you're okay.
I'm at 2300 RPM.
So these maneuvers you do them at maneuvering speed, which is about 100 knots, 130. Okay, 130.
Okay.
Okay, so wait. Let me. This looks good. All right, 30 to the right. Let's go. I want you to look out. This is just a double check. There you go. That's 30.
Plane to be traffic 62862 base to final one.
I keep hearing Paul on the radio, my old instructor.
30, 30, 30.
I've got you.
You're losing altitude. There you go. That was good. That was very good. So I failed my first CFI ride with these turns.
Really?
But not at 30, at 50. And one of the problems was that I was not entering it at maneuvering speed and maintaining maneuvering speed.
Twenty feet, give or take.
That was acceptable. That was more than acceptable.
That's within ACS standards.
Not at 30 degrees though. It's at 40. Well, you'll get there.
What do you do for the PPL? For the
I'm not sure if it's, yeah, it's 40. It's 50
Is it
for
40?
commercial,
Okay.
and it's 40 for, it may be 45. We'll look it up.
Yeah. Man, this thing kills my neck.
Well, you know that
I should start putting it
the
on.
rules say that you only need it for takeoff and landing. So
Yes.
if you really hate it, you can take it off.
No, I'd rather put it on my shoulder or
Okay.
something. Maybe next time I'll do that.
All right.
I'm not busting with it right now.
Let's go do some, like, how long have we been flying? Let me see.
33.44 since we took off.
50 minutes, almost an hour. Okay, so by the time we get, do you think you can take me to, okay, any screen you're in,
Okay.
you hold the clear button,
Uh-huh.
takes you to the map page, to the nav page. That's the first nav page. The second one is your map. Okay?
All right.
You're gonna remember that? That's your out when you're in trouble.
All right.
Okay. We're not gonna go into autopilot.
Clear.
Here. So you hold clear, so look. I'm there.
Hold clear and it.
Okay, and then one. You got it?
That looks familiar because I use that VOR page. before.
Okay. So no VOR tracking today, we follow the magenta line.
We had 420s in ours over there.
Okay. Where they was, do you know?
No.
Okay. So, do you know how to take me to MJX? Don't touch anything, just tell me if you know. If not, I'll explain it before you touch up.
Get the direct to.
Why direct to?
'Cause
What's your waypoint? Where?
We're picking a waypoint.
So what waypoint is programmed in the machine?
MJX.
Okay, good. Now, it's also there.
Okay.
Okay? So, just without touching anything, if you get a call, 41 Juliet Alpha, what is your on-course heading to MJX? What is it?
What's my course heading is?
It's right here, 329.
329.
And it's right there. And that's the distance. And the distance should be there.
So we're bearing, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so now you can hit the direct to.
Direct to.
Enter, enter.
Enter. And enter.
Okay. So another fast way is the nearest function. It's the second or third page. Nearest. Okay, so see nearest. And see MJX, so you would click this and you can scroll down to any airport and hit direct, enter, enter, and now you're direct November 12th. Okay? So now use the nearest and take me to MJX.
So take it to.
MJX, because now you're going to November 12th.
To get to the nearest page. I
Yeah,
have
use
to
the
hit-
nearest page. It's this one, 2 or 3, to the right. There it is.
then hit
Press to select the cursor.
This one.
Yeah. And now direct. Enter, enter. Enter again. There you go. Wait, go back to the map page now. You forgot one thing.
And that's clear.
It's,
Oh.
one to the right. Not that one, the out one.
Oh.
Nav, out. There you go.
Oh, okay.
remember the rule of 3? So you want to know if you should start your descent or not. Are you too high for this airport?
Rule of 3. So we are, how many miles now?
You tell me.
9.5, right?
Yeah, call it 9.
So 3 times 3 is almost 30.
Oh,
20,
don't tell me you need a calculator. It's 27.
28.5.
Okay.
28.50, really.
So you are within altitude.
We are within.
Okay, so you should start. You're less than 10 miles. You need to start
You
thinking
just
about
made me juggle 3 balls, and you're asking me whether I could do math right now.
oh, but dude, yeah, it's gonna get a lot worse.
You're gonna get to the point where you're gonna ask me my name, and I'm gonna be like, stand by.
Okay. I mean, and standby is a perfectly acceptable answer, right? Standby, take a deep breath.
Yeah.
All right, but I don't see any sweat yet,
No.
so we'll have ways to go.
We're good.
All right, so you should have the airport inside, right?
Right there.
Okay, so let's listen to the AWAS.
Dead ahead. AWAS is 1195. So how do you get to this one?
That guy.
This guy? Oh, flip-flop. Yeah.
And you are on COM2. See COM2 there?
I can't hear it.
Observation.
1.
5 9er Zulu. Wind 070 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear.
Okay.
Temp
What's the wind?
Downwind, runway
07 at 5.
070 at 5?
Yeah.
Okay, so which runway is that?
What do we got? What are our options here?